wanted to share a recipe for making homemade delicious onion rings. Okay, so flour and cornstarch, then we're gonna add onion powder, garlic powder. That's just for a little bit of flavoring. There we go. Some garlic salt. Mix this up nicely. And then I have plain breadcrumbs. That's gonna go in another bowl now. Let's dump some plain breadcrumbs here. So then, what we're gonna do is cut the tips off of the onion ring. Right here, I'm gonna cut the onion in half with the peel and all. I'm not gonna try to peel the onion because when you peel the onion, you might cut into it in a place that you don't want to. So just get your size down first, and then you'll see it's easier to actually peel that way. So here, I'm gonna make sure to separate as many as I can. There we go. So now here we have the rings, perfect. So here I have sparkling water. You can use beer if you like. That's why you get some of them that say beer battered onion rings. A pinch of regular salt is gonna go in here. Okay, there we go. So now we're gonna dip. Want to make sure that that's coated, and then we're gonna go right into our breadcrumbs. You want to make sure that the breadcrumbs are adhering. Perfect. Okay, those are almost ready. So I'm going to let these drain. Okay, like so. This one's ready. That one's ready as well. Look at these beauties. Can you hear this? Okay, this is insanely crunchy, no soggy onion ring here. Let's make a really quick and easy dipping sauce. All right, little mayo is gonna go into. This makes all types of sounds, guys. A touch of Dijon. Okay, so I'm just gonna give this a good mix. And I'm gonna pick out, for here, a little bit of this pickled juice as well. Then I'm gonna mince up these cornichons. Dough scraper for the win. Goes in. A ranch packet. I was gonna use this for something else, but now I'm gonna use it here. Okay, so let's give this a quick mix. We have mayo, touch of Dijon, cornichons, and ranch. Okay. Yep, there we go. So much crunch.